We'll see. So I'm counting how many to the right did they shift it? 1, 2, 3. They shifted 3 to the right, and they shifted it 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So I'm going to go to H. 3 to the right would be positive 3. So now you can see in the graph, I've shifted it over 3, and then I want to shift it 4 down. So we'll make K minus 4. We'll make sure that that's the right coordinate point. 3, negative 4. 3, negative 4. That's good. Now here's how I put it all together. Parentheses, X minus 3. Why is it minus? It's always minus. So if it's a positive 3, it'd be minus 3. If this was a negative 3, I'd put plus 3. So it's at the opposite of the H value. Squared. And then whatever the K value is. So minus 4. Okay, next one. We can think of G as a translated version of F. So I can go ahead and adjust H to negative or positive 2 and K to negative 7. And then I can count, or I can just look to see. Cool, they shifted it from the 0. They've shifted it 2 to the right. And they've shifted it 7 down. Down 7 units. And to the right by 2 units. Done. Parabola x squared is shifted to the right by 8 units. What is the new equation for the parabola? So that means K is 0. They didn't shift it up or down. They shifted it to the right. Let's make sure that's a positive 8. Yes, that's to the right. Nice. Cool. When I type in the equation, I type in x minus 8 squared. And I can put plus 0, but I don't have to. Last one. We got to shift to the left by 4 units and down by 5 units. So to the left would be negative 4. There we go. Now we got it to the left, and then we need to go down units, so we need to adjust K. Negative 8. Perfect. Make sure the vertex is the same. Negative 4, negative 8. Negative 4, negative 8. Now, sorry, negative 4, negative 5. Negative 5. Now, when I type this in, the H value is always tricky. You do the opposite of whatever the H is. So the H is a negative, so I'm going to put it in as a positive. And then I leave the K value as a negative. So I do always, when I type it in the parentheses, I always do the opposite of whatever the H value is. Questions on that?